In crypto, there are rare moments when an asset's fundamentals are so strong that everyone can see the value, yet the market price refuses to reflect it. It's the kind of scenario where the conviction is obvious to those paying attention, but because the chart isn't exploding, the majority stay distracted elsewhere. History shows that once the price catches up to those fundamentals, it's already too late for 99% of investors to secure the life-changing returns. The wealth is built quietly, long before the headlines. KASPA is in that moment right now. Over the past few days, it experienced a light correction, dropping back to the 9-cent level it touched recently, even briefly dipping to 86 cents during early day volatility. That move happened earlier today, before the CPI inflation report, the classic market shakeout that often happens ahead of major macro events. The moment the bullish outcome landed, with CPI coming in at 2.7% and beating the 2.8% market expectation, the recovery was almost instant, unfolding within minutes. This kind of reaction is a clear sign of how sensitive the market is to positive macro catalysts, and with September's interest rate cut now priced in at a 94.2% probability according to the Fed's forecasts, conditions are aligning in favor of risk assets, with KASPA primed to benefit. The fundamentals are unmatched. Within the next 2 weeks, KASPA will activate smart contracts through Kasplex, evolving into a complete ecosystem. It's already the fastest proof-of-work Layer 1 blockchain ever built, achieving 10 blocks per second, unheard of in this category, while maintaining the holy trinity of blockchain principles: scalability, security, and decentralization. It follows Bitcoin's principles to the letter: fair launch, no venture capitalists behind, no hidden allocations. Circulating supply stands at 26.5 billion KAS, out of a 28.7 billion max supply. That means we're entering a phase where any surge in demand can trigger a genuine supply shock. At a $2.44 billion market cap and $0.092 per coin, price action hasn't even come close to matching KASPA's fundamentals. Some speculate $1 is the super bull target. For me, that's a bearish milestone. At $1, KASPA would be valued at roughly a $25 billion market cap, which Litecoin, a far weaker project, surpassed in a previous cycle. Comparing KASPA to Cardano's $100 billion market cap peak of the last cycle feels optimistic, but comparing it to Litecoin's run is definitely bearish. Given the tech, the speed, the security, and the imminent smart contract rollout, a $25 billion market cap is simply the starting line. In my view, a $50 to $60 billion market cap is entirely realistic this cycle, with the potential to spike toward $80 or even $100 billion market cap in the right timing environment. That's why I see $2 per KASPA as a conservative target, and even that feels like it could be exceeded if sentiment flips hard. The majority will FOMO in at $1, but the real asymmetric opportunity exists below 10 cents, in the zone where conviction beats noise. Patience here is not just a virtue, it's the difference between being early and being exit liquidity. The market eventually pays attention to the truth, but it only rewards those who saw it before it was obvious. Dr. Money Glitcher.